Hey guys, I am Pete, and welcome to my channel. We are going to start a brand new series for the AZ-900 examination. I will be uploading multiple videos in the coming weeks. At first glance, the AZ-900 exam appears to be one of the easiest IT certifications on the market. But that doesn't mean it isn't challenging. It's still an IT exam, and most of them are dense, if not difficult. If you are a part of the market, AZ-900 is likely worth at the 85 minutes and $99 you will invest in carrying it. The value you will receive is at least as far from the travel and the experience since it's passing the real examination. The path to pass the Microsoft AZ-900 exam requires you to learn about core cloud concepts, Azure services, master security, privacy compliance, and trust, and also be acquainted with Azure pricing and support. You could take the AZ-900 certification exam from home, or from a test center suiting your comfort. The only requirement is that you have to meet their certification exam requirements, as the exam is proctored. So, it is important to check these requirements before taking the exam. If you are watching this channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for upcoming videos and to stay connected. Microsoft provides all the training material you need for AZ-900 for free on their Microsoft Learn platform. There are 6 modules in the AZ-900 learning path, and you should complete them all before attempting the exam. If a candidate does not achieve a passing score the second time, the candidate must wait at least 14 days before retaking the exam a third time. The candidate is eligible to retake the exam 12 months from the date of their first attempt. At time of writing, there is no expiry date on the AZ-900 certification. Other certifications such as the AZ-103/104 Azure Administrator certification need to be renewed periodically. That is 18 months. After passing the AZ-900 exam, you can take the associate exam, which is AZ-103, then AZ-203, then AI-100, then DP-100, DP-200, and DP-201 exams. And last, for expert, you can take AZ-300 and AZ-301 and AZ-400 exam. The opportunities for Microsoft Azure certified aspirants have drastically multiplied in recent years, owing to the growing demand. MS Azure is being used by over 57% of Fortune 500 companies. Through Azure, Microsoft's commercial cloud revenue has increased by 104%, with an annual run rate of $6.3 billion in revenue. This is a proctored base exam. A person will be there to assist you once you are done with the above steps. Refresh your screen on the laptop, and you will be asked to wait. A proctor will then connect with you and start your exam application. The test is of 85 minutes, and you may get any number of questions, maximum of 60. Microsoft Cloud Services lead the market in IT. Certifications in Microsoft's Azure Cloud Computing Services have a huge demand in the evolving world of technology. Azure certifications not only lead to more job opportunities but also upsurge possibilities of high-paying jobs and promotions. Microsoft Azure is a good career because of its huge demand in the market, and the need for trained and certified Azure practitioners is also growing rapidly, because the number of people who know Azure is increasing. I recommend learning these concepts in order to start a career in Azure with no experience, knowledge of Azure Cloud Platform and infrastructure, virtual machines and Azure Network Management, implementation and architecting Microsoft Azure solutions. Azure as a platform can be learned without knowing any programming at all. Although if you wish to deploy an application to Azure, then you may need to write some configuration code or a deployment script. But for normal infrastructure management and other tasks, you can use Azure. This learning path is designed to help you and your team prepare for the AZ-900 Microsoft Azure Fundamentals exam. Even if you don't plan to take the exam, these courses will help you gain a solid understanding of Microsoft Azure. Candidates who pass the AZ-900 exam will earn the Microsoft Certified Azure Fundamentals certification. The AZ-900 exam tests your knowledge of 4 subject areas. Here's how we'll cover them in this learning path. We'll start by going over general cloud concepts, so you don't need to have any previous cloud experience. Next, we'll dive into the specifics of Microsoft Azure, starting with the core Azure services, including compute, networking, storage, and databases. Then, we'll cover security, privacy, compliance, and trust. Finally, we'll go over Azure pricing and support. This Microsoft Azure Fundamentals training prepares technical and non-technical professionals to take the AZ-900 exam, which is the one required exam to earn the Microsoft Certified Azure Fundamentals certification. This AZ-900 training is the ideal entry point into the Microsoft certification program for IT professionals, and can even be used as user training for Azure migrations. Once you're done with this Azure Fundamentals training, you'll be more marketable, both as a technical or non-technical professional. Plus you'll have a good handle on the core services of the Azure Cloud. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to notified for my next videos. This is Pete, signing off.